How's it going, everyone? It is Andre Williams, and over here we talk stocks and we focus on one thing. Always protect your profits. And I want to let you guys know the private group is here. Whether you're an investor or you're a trader and you're looking to build wealth inside the stock market, then this group is for you. You can find the link down inside the description. We'll be happy to have you a part of the family. So today we're going to be talking about XELA. That's right, Exela. We ended up seeing some tremendous gains inside the market today, going near to the close, but you know what? We'll talk more about it. So, of course, let's go over the agenda. The first thing is we're going to be doing a technical analysis, taking a look at the overall price action. This is key because in case you want to get into this play, you want to make sure you formulate a game plan. And then we're going to be taking a look, doing the order flow distribution. We want to know, have institutions been loading up? Have they been buying shares today? I feel this is very key because it can give us a good indication how things can possibly look like going into tomorrow. And then when all of that is done, I'll be giving you guys my final thoughts. So let's jump into it. So we're going to be doing a technical analysis for Exela. So let's see how it performed on the day. So it ended up closing at $2.68, being up 42.55% on the day. On the low, it tested $1.88. Then on the high, testing $2.69. So what we want to take a look at is the price action. So we could see here, as far as after hours at the time of this recording, it is showing us $2.74. So that is definitely good to see considering we closed at $2.68. So what are we looking forward to going into tomorrow? So we want to see new areas of support continue to hold up for Exela. So what I'd be looking at, I want to see if it could actually maintain being above 250. If it can maintain being above 250, especially near the end, or sorry, not near the end, but at the end of after hours, things can look very bullish going into tomorrow. And what does that look like? So we could see back here on June the 30th, we ended up getting to around $3.08. And then we also had an area here right on June the 30th at around 130, being at 283. So what we want to look forward to for tomorrow is seeing Exela get past 283. It could definitely do this in after hours because it's only 5:30 p.m. But if it's able to be above this 280 area, it could look very bullish. If it gets into that $3 level and then passes this previous 310 level, woo, I must say, strong move to the upside here, and that's where we really get to see how much buying pressure, how much demand. It's going to be showing up on scanners, and a lot of traders are going to want to get into it. So I wouldn't be shocked to see a move going well past $3.20. So if you are thinking about getting into this play, I also want you to be aware of also your downside risk. One thing we do know for sure, because it held up as support for a good portion of the day, was that area right around $1.90. So that $1.90 area was very, very strong, and I'm taking into consideration the move that we got. I want to see this $2 level actually just hold up. Now let's take a look at the order flow distribution for Exela. So we can see here on the inflow we had 80, and on the outflow we had 52. And just to let you guys know, this is in millions, all right? So we have 16 on the large, we had 48 on the medium, and 16 on the small. So we had inflows beating out outflows. On the large we had 12, on the medium we had 30, and on the small we had 9. When we take a look at the large scale orders in the last 5 days, you can see today for July the 6th, it was at 3.7, and of course this is in millions as well. So institutions, yes, have been loading up on shares. So as far as tomorrow and how it could possibly look like, things are actually looking really good. We have a really strong setup. I was also taking a look at after hours, and we're seeing continued strength there as well. So anyone who's holding a position, you have a lot to look forward to. But of course, make sure you are watching the technical analysis so you can formulate the right game plan and know your downside risk. So now let's jump into the final thoughts. So for my final thoughts for Exela, things are definitely looking good going into tomorrow. Even though we had a pretty tough day inside of the market, many stocks struggled. Seeing Exela make that move towards the end of the day was something that was really great to see. Another thing we need to understand, yes, there's still a lot of short squeeze potential in this play. When I took a look at Fintel just before recording the final thought section, I saw that it was around 31% for the short volume ratio, just a little bit over that. So as far as how tomorrow is looking, hey, the indicators are there, things are definitely looking bullish. So if you are inside of this play, just make sure you have a strategy. Make sure you have your entry plan and make sure you have your exit plan. This is very essential when you're dealing with volatile stocks just like these. And it's something that I really want to bring across and you're aware of. Yes, it's fun. It's exciting seeing those returns, seeing that green inside your portfolio and so on. But you got to understand these particular type of plays don't come around often. So don't make it a habitual thing to have your whole portfolio or half your portfolio in there. It is just not necessary and it's very risky. I want you to understand if you have an investment portfolio or you even just have a trading account overall in general, when it comes to these particular plays, sorry, this is more so for portfolios, you don't want this taking up no more than 5 to 10%. Anything more than that, you're really exposing yourself. And the fact of the matter is, if you end up seeing a good opportunity and you took advantage of it and you made some money, you're going to want to try to do this again with another penny stock and things can go the other way very quickly. So I want you to understand that. I'm looking out for you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video and I look forward to seeing what XELA does tomorrow. We'll talk soon.